Meaning of enemy.
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 Enemy. The term enemy refers to a person or group that is hostile towards another person or group, often with the intention of causing harm or damage. Enemies may have differing beliefs, interests, or values that have led to conflict and animosity. The relationship between enemies is characterized by distrust, fear, and hatred, and can lead to violent confrontation. In many cases, conflicts between enemies are fueled by a desire for power, resources, or territory. Ultimately, relationships between enemies are complex and can lead to devastating consequences for both sides.